Oh. Hi guys, I'm gonna be burping 5 times today. Okay, let's go. Like and subscribe and leave a comment.